could I make this video? First of all, I need to get the data information, so I come to the Nobel Prize website, and here is the Nobel Prize data set. They give you all the data information about the Nobel Prize in each year. It has some categories: Nobel Prize in physics, in chemistry, physiology or medicine, literature, or Nobel Peace Prize. I search the database. Here you could browse the country, cities, and the universities, but they didn't give you the year information. Unfortunately, I could not find the Excel dataset on this website. I go back to Google again and to check the dataset for the Nobel Prize. For this website, I think they have the Excel file to download. Here they have the Excel file, so we could download it to take a look. This is what I want to get. I will download it and to do some process in the Excel. This is the first Excel table, Nobel Prize by date. For this table, we could get the year information, nominator name information, and the nominator ID. Here is another Excel table. From this table, we could get the nominator information, including the name and ID, and also the born country information and the other informations. What kind of data I need to get? I should get the year information, and for each year, how many numbers of the nominators in each country. I need to combine these two tables together. Since the first table they just have the date information, and the second table they have the country information. They have the same column is about the ID. The ID is the identifier, so I could use the ID to compare the two tables together to use the VLOOKUP function. For the VLOOKUP function, it has four values, four parameters. The first one is about the lookup this value, and the second one is about the lookup range, and the third one is return a match from the specific column, and the last one, do you want to search for exact match or the approximate match? Here it gives you the wrong answer. I think there is something wrong with the column chosen, so we could double check it. The range row number should be 973. And the column number is from I. The result is still wrong, so let me double check the column chosen. It's G, so it's the third number, it's F. The third number should be 6. I need to change the 4 to 6. Now it's correct. So we could get all the other IDs country. Yes, we get all of them. There are some IDs country 0. Since it's not got by the person, it's got by the organization, so we do not statistics them. Now I get the country information and the year information in the same table. Next step, I should count the Nobel Prize numbers each year by each country. I create a new sheet to store the information again. I create a new sheet to continue to process the data. The final data, what I need is country and region and year information. The year information is from the 1901 to 2020. In order to get the unique country information, I should go back to the data, and first of all, I should sort the born country information, and then I could use the filter to just show the unique value for the country information. I will show you how to do that. Before that, since the data I got is just from 1901 to 2016, so I should also add the 2017 to 2020 data about the Nobel Prize. So I came to the Nobel Prize website again, and from 2017 to 2020. I will skip this step and I just show you the result. Now we have the completed data set. Here we just need to focus on the year and the country information. So there's no necessary for me to add some other information like name and ID and motivation. Here is another Excel sheet including the country name, region information, and the country flag image. So here I will show you how to get the unique country names from the born country. You just need to use the click the data, then sort and then filter. Finally, you just need to click the advanced, choose the unique record only. So you just get the unique name. Then you just need to copy it and paste it into the new sheet. Next step, I will use the function SUMPRODUCT to get the Nobel Prize numbers for each country in each year from the 1901 to the 2020. I use the SUMPRODUCT function. So you could use the two conditions, then you could get the specific data you want. Here we have the two control parameters. One is about the country, the another one is about the year. So I could use the SUMPRODUCT to get the numbers for each year. When you use the SUMPRODUCT function here, you may need to pay attention to the absolute sign. We just need to use it in a one cell. Could use the natural growth, and then it will autofill, so it can save you a lot of time. Since for the other cell, it has the same process, so I will skip this one. And if you have any question, you could leave me a comment or message. Then I will teach you how to do that. Finally, I get the result. It looks like this. So I get all the Nobel Prize numbers for each country in each year. And I also use the VLOOKUP function to get the region of each country and the flag image for each country. This one is very easy. It's just reuse the VLOOKUP function. Here there are some name incorrect information. I just need to recorrect it, and then they will give you the image information. After we finish all the information like this, there is a problem. In the video, I used the sum information for each year. Like in the 2020, it's the sum from the 1901 to 2020. But here it's just for each year Nobel Prize number. I use the sum function here, and for each row I could use the sum function to calculate the accumulator sum. This step is easy, so I also want to skip this one for the detailed information. If you have any question, you could leave me a message. Finally, I get all the accumulate sum for each year. Here is the final result, what I want to get. Until now, we finished all the data process steps. Next step, I will use the Flash Studio to make this video. The Flash Studio has the template, so after we prepare for the data, we just need to substitute data information in the template. Here it's very easy, just copy and paste. Here you can see it comes out. In the Flash Studio, it's very easy to use. I like it very much. Next step, you just need to change some characteristics in the right side, and you could change the time duration, and you also could change the title information, label information, and all the other informations.